Hi folks, and thank you for spending some time with me today to watch this video presentation of this 2019 Nash by Northwood. It's a 17K model, real small, compact, double axle, tall, great ground clearance, all kinds of fun stuff with the Nash product. We've been one of their original dealers here in Oregon and love to spend some time. We'll start on the inside and we'll finish up on the outside. The big benefit on something like this with the extra height and the extra big windows and not having a super dark tint on the windows on the safety glass, it adds a lot of natural light on here. A lot of folks that buy the Nash product might want to go out and dry camp. What the heck, you might as well take advantage of all that natural light we get even on a gray day like we're having today. There's plenty of natural light in here, so I like that real well. You got big windows that are tall because of that vaulted ceiling in here. That makes it real nice too for strength as well as added height for those big kids of today. You're also going to be able to make this into a bed if you need to for alternate sleeping. And then you're going to have, again, windows to be able to see from pretty much all sides of this back end, which is real nice. You also saw a little ladder on the back too. When you're in here, you are going to be able to have some storage. We'll see that when the camera guy gets up that way. We do have the refrigerator that's easy to get to all right in this area. Look at all the nice counter space here you have. Little Wi-Fi extender there you see. And then there'll be some good storage on the overhead cabinet space as well too. Microwave, stainless steel here, makes it real nice on that cover. You do have place back here for some knife holders, and you see stainless steel sink, which is a real nice big stainless steel sink there. And then also the camera guy might be able to see back over here a little bit how deep that storage is there for pantry. And then again, inside this area, before we show you the bathroom, this bedroom area has nice storage above that. You have a little bit of storage open in here, and then you also have a pretty good sized bed, decent mattress for an RV mattress. It's real nice and comfortable. You do have a little place there, a nightstand next to the bed there, so somebody can set their phone or smart device, whatever there, and there's also some chargers for that. When we look at the doorway here, look at how big this bathroom is. Nice tall, again, height in there for that shower, low step in shower, big lavvy sink in there, and you also have a nice fan for a fantastic type fan up in there. Makes it nice as well too. Plenty of leg room around that when you're sitting at the toilet too, which is a good benefit. Again, added height. You also have a little solar panel for trickle charging the batteries that comes with it. When we're on the outside here, again, I like the stability of the double axle you get with a small package. It's not very long trailer, but it's got a lot of height to it, a lot of good ground clearance. You do have that push button patio awning here. You're going to have some speakers for the outside too, and they have a little tray here that will hold a couple of accessories in there, like a little tray and a basket and such when you're out here under the awning if you wanted to cook out here. You also have the heavy duty scissor jacks there. Nice LED lights everywhere. The ladder I pointed out, heavy bumper. You're also going to have a lighted for your license plates. Kind of nice to have that as well too. It's one of the few brands that if you do need to put a generator and have it installed, it's pre-wired for it. So another nice little feature in the event you want to do that and really get out remote camp, you can do that. It does have the cable and or satellite and your power supply cord, black tank, flush, and shower on the outside. Also, another thing too is it is a 10-gallon instead of a 6-gallon hot water heater. So you get that extra capacity for when you dry camp as well. It's real nice to have. And look at how nice and tall these doors are. They're also, you can see it on the inside there, but also I'll show you really the thickness when you see the camera. Look how thick that nice door is. So it's well insulated. It has the dual latches. So when you drive, it's a good idea to latch it, but also to lock it. It really holds it nice and firm because you got automotive seals here that don't have any memory that help keep that fine dust out when you're traveling down those nice remote dusty roads. When you're on the front area over here, they made this more of a curvature shape to it than they have in the past, which I like real well. You do have the larger tanks, room for 2 batteries down below, though we provide a free battery with the purchase, of course. And you do also have a power tongue jack that has a light on it as well too. And you know, with this product and all that, Northwood's been around since about '93, so a long time, great company, small company, and I tell you, they really take care of building those products and one at a time and taking great care with it. They start up with the chassis and make it a real heavy-duty certified chassis. You're going to have questions after this video. You should write them down. Give me a call, Tom Peterson. I'd love to help you out. It's the number you see at the end of the video. And you know what? Remember one big thing here at Guaranty in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.